Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Little Pandas counting. In this video, it's all about pandas and counting to 10. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about pandas while we draw. Pandas are bears that live in the cool, misty mountains of China. They love bamboo. Bamboo is a tall grass that grows in big clumps. Pandas munch and crunch bamboo for many hours every day. It fills their tummies and gives them energy to play, climb, and nap. Pandas have black and white fur that is super cute. The dark patches around their eyes are like little masks. And guess what? A panda has an extra special bone in its paw. It works like a thumb. That thumb helps a panda hold bamboo, just like you hold a snack. As we draw, let's count our pandas together. Ready? 1 little panda, 2 little pandas, 3 little pandas. Keep going with me as we make more. When you add a panda, say the number out loud. Counting helps your brain get strong and your mouth learn the sounds of numbers. 4, 5. Great job! Let's jump into a quick pretend story. Close your eyes for a second and imagine a bamboo forest. Soft green leaves, quiet wind, and 10 little pandas playing hide and seek. Panda Pop counts 1, 2, 3, while the others find hiding spots. Panda Dot tiptoes behind a bamboo bunch. Panda Sprout scrambles up a low tree branch. Panda Noodle tries to hide behind a very tiny rock. Uh-oh! Guess what happens when Panda Pop reaches 10 and shouts, "Ready or not, here I come!" You won't believe it. Panda Noodle sneezes, "Achoo!" and a shower of bamboo leaves rains down. Do you think Panda Pop will spot Noodle first, or the panda in the tree? What do you think happens next? If you think that sneeze gave the pandas away, give this video a big like. Time for fun panda facts while we keep drawing and coloring. And keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will wow you. Fact 1. Baby pandas are teeny tiny at birth, way smaller than you might think. A newborn panda can be about as light as a small water bottle, so tiny. It will grow with milk and care from its mama. Fact 2. A grown panda can be big and strong, but they are gentle giants. They don't roar like lions. Pandas make cute sounds, bleats, honks, and little squeaks. Imagine a big fluffy bear that talks like a silly goat. Adorable! Fact 3. Pandas are great climbers and swimmers. When a panda is nervous or just wants a better view, up it goes into a tree. High branches can be safe, quiet nap spots. Fact 4. Every panda has its own black and white pattern. The eye patches, ears, and legs make a design that is special, like your fingerprint. No two pandas look exactly the same. Fact 5. Bamboo buffet. A panda might snack on bamboo for 10 or more hours in a day. Chomp, chew, repeat. That special thumb really helps hold those crunchy stalks. Let's do a quick count up with our drawing friends. 1 little panda peeking. 2 little pandas listening. 3 little pandas giggling. 4 little pandas climbing. 5 little pandas waving. 6 little pandas munching. 7 little pandas stretching. 8 little pandas napping. 9 little pandas tumbling. 10 little pandas smiling. Here's a kindness tip from the Panda Crew. Share like a panda. If you have 2 snacks, offer 1. If you have 2 ideas, try both. Sharing makes playtime extra fun. We're almost done. Keep going. Maybe your pandas are having a bamboo picnic, or maybe they're lined up for a silly panda parade. However you finish, your picture will be uniquely yours. I can't wait for your grand finale.
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da
did amazing! High five! Today we drew little pandas and learned pandas love bamboo and even have a thumb to hold it. Baby pandas are tiny and pandas can climb and swim. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends. Bye!